Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are checking out some of the best mini refrigerators on all of Amazon. This one is by far the most unique looking. I think it's one of my favorites. It's the Galanz mini refrigerator. It's got double doors, so you've got your freezer on top, your refrigerator on the bottom, and you guys, this one is huge. It is 4.6 cubic feet. It's one of the bigger mini refrigerators that you can buy. I think it's like 1.3 up top and then, I don't know, like 2.6 on the bottom. Is that right? Does that add up? Something like that. Don't quote me. But the point is, it's a lot larger than your standard box mini fridge. It's gonna have that whole extra big freezer compartment and large refrigerator as well. It's got a removable glass shelf in the refrigerator portion, so you can organize your food however works best for your specific situation. The freezer is large capacity. In one of the reviews that I read, they said that they fit 3 entire boxes of popsicles in the freezer. So if that's a concern for you, popsicle storage, this is definitely the mini fridge for you. 3 boxes of popsicles in the freezer. You can use it for ice cubes as well. You guys, this is going to be really quiet. It's also very energy efficient and it cools down really quickly. And you get to choose the setting that works best for you, depending on, maybe what you're keeping in there. If it's more fruits and vegetables versus sodas or whatever, choose the temperature that you like. So this is really adjustable. There's even a crisper on the inside. A lot of mini fridges, you guys, are not made to store fresh and perishable food. This is one that totally can, and it's highly recommended for that. So if you're someone maybe in a dorm room or a studio apartment or an RV or something like that, this is a really great option that's going to give you plenty of freezer space and storage for your ice cubes, storage for your drinks and your food too. So this is lovely, it's fun, it's retro, and everyone has commented on just how well made it is and how, just a notch above you would expect for a mini refrigerator. Like, the handles are really nice, the glass on the inside is nice, everything looks wonderful and it works wonderfully too, and it's going to fit your needs. So this is one that you definitely want to put in your cart and go ahead and order. You'll be glad you did.